Okay, hello and welcome to the vlog. It is Sunday. It is currently 3:30 and we are off to the fabric store. Right, Jackson? And I got Luna with me. Don't worry, it's not that warm out, guys. Put in my maps because as many times as I go, it still makes me nervous and I still need to use my maps. I'll go there and then I don't know what we'll do, come back home, chill out, do some final kind of cleaning stuff in the house. I have to take out the garbage, all those super great Sunday things, and then plan a weekend. My parents might come down next weekend, yeah, and we might do some fun things. Can you say hi? Good job. And we got Luna. You ready to go? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. I will maybe film in the fabric store depending on if he's crazy or not. I don't bring the stroller in because he just wants out of it all the time. But then he does run around and it's kind of a gong show, so I usually don't. That's why I don't record in stores. It's just way too much. So I'll do a haul when I get out. And yeah.
The next day.
Look at how pretty it is. Hi, Maya. Hey, messy face. Jackson! We set up his little water park. 2 pools and that thing. He seems to be enjoying it. Hi, babe.
Hi.
And we got the puppies out here. Luna! What are you doing? They're going crazy. Jackson's trying to keep up. Oh, he's going to the lake. I bet he's gonna throw his water bottle in the lake. Yep. And I am just sitting here chilling. Got my wine, on vacation. A big sale tomorrow with Jack's the Label. 40% off everything in the site from the 14th to the 17th, so you need to check it out. I am breaking out so bad. I don't know what's happening. Hopefully the sun will take care of that. So I need to go lay in the sun, relax, enjoy my babies. He keeps throwing his water bottle in the lake. Silly. And yeah, that's all I got planned so far. Tomorrow we might do a Soyuz, a little wine tour or something. Go to the farmer's market. We got Grandma and Grandpa coming tonight for dinner. And Auntie Mads is gonna come hang out. And it'll be fun. Oh, I thought they were coming up. They're still just at the lake. But yeah, I don't know what else. It was a very long travel day because Jackson was having a rough few days and nights, so it took a long time to get here, but we did it. And we're here, enjoying the lake and family, and the weather is beautiful. It's hot though. It's like 32 or 34 or something. And my crazy boy's down there still. I'll go down there in a little bit. But right now, I'm just relaxing. Yeah, that's all I got so far. I will catch up with you in a little bit. Farmer's market time! Right, Mom?
Yay!
Hey.
Are you ready? Ready.
Let's go.
What are you showing me, sweetie?
That.
Do you like it, baby? Mmm. Day 2 on the lake. He needs help crossing the line. Luna, Mom. The beautiful view.
Yeah, you gonna jump again?
Jump in!
1, 2, 3.
Good jumping!
Again?
Where are you going so fast? He's like, I thought you were following me.
Feels so good to be.
To Dad.
Jump to me. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good jumping.
Ready?
Jump.
Again.
1, 2. Okay. We're making a big salad. Okay. The Shuswap Organics. So is this from the Shuswap then?
Yep.
Grown in the North Okanagan. It looks freaking delicious. Whoops. We might only need one. Overshot this.
Did you get a cucumber?
No. Do we not have cucumber?
No, we remember it was terrible.
No.
I'm trying to bring one.
God damn it. Yes. We'll do the fresh greens mix. Do you think one? Do you think I need a bigger bowl?
Yep.
What bowl did I use yesterday? No.
You would need
Switching bowls. That's more like it. Let's add some of this pepper.
Oh, juice.
Nice and loud. Quiet on set. I said that to Nick once and he was like, what? What's set? Do we have more tomatoes?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Should I put carrot?
Sure, like grate it. Makes it really yummy.
Okay.
Yeah. It's gonna be really thick.
Yeah. Make it really thick. Some yummy sweet carrots we got from the market today. He needs a snack.
Mom. You say mom. Gigi.
Going to the beach. Right there. Jackson. Hi, babies. Got my cute new hat. Ready to go to the beach. Moving to our second location.
Let's go run.
Run.
Did we forget anything? Oh, your little cheeks just
I don't think so.
Bye-bye, grass.
Look at how busy it is. Hi, Dad.
Come on, let's go to the water park. Yay! Is that better?
There's a lemonade truck. Beep.
In the middle of the road filming everything.
The little water park. That's where we're going. So fun. You gonna go to the water park? Splash, 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 splash.
It just comes out.
Yeah, so
It just goes.
Yeah, did you see me?
Just got wet.
No.
Oh, I like almost took Karen out.
Oh.
Actually, I hid underneath of her.
Jackson, what's going on? Look at
Not too sure yet. Not. Karen. Passed right out.
So will he know what to look for?
What's that?
Not too sure why my banana leaf doesn't look like that. What time is it? It's like 7 o'clock. Is it 7?
And we're still alive.
Yeah. Well, Jackson's not.
No.
He's out.
Jackson is out.
I wish I was sleeping.
I wish Karen was back in me.
Yeah, I wish it was the other way around. And I was the one napping. She'd really give up.
She'd just grab you by the hair and drag.
I feel like Jackson and just sit down.
Yeah, give up and sit down.
Yeah.
And that's where we're at. We're going home to go to bed.
Good morning.
Morning.
Forget about my phone.
I wonder if you can hear me. Say hi.
Hi.
We're in my dad's old truck. Get some plywood and fabric and make my bars. But it's my project that Nick's making for me. Hopefully it works out good. Hopefully you can hear me. The windows are open because there's no AC in here. So that's that. It's already, probably doesn't tell you the temp in here either.
24.
24. Oh, it's not that bad. OOTD. I got my Venti on, some Lulu shorts. I got this one from Urban Outfitters. What's your OOTD?
My Lulu shorts on and my t-shirt from
RW.
RW.
Big fan of RW. We're gonna go meet Karen and Greg, get our pieces cut out, and get the fabric. More along the way. First, a quick pit stop for McDonald's breakfast. We come to get boards for the headboard, and we're gonna look at tools first. His happy place.
This is happy.
Got the goods. Almost. Nick's looking at inspo. Hopefully it works out. Measuring the arches. Is that even?
Yeah.
Which one now? The top line?
What? No, bottom one.
Oh. Trying to get it even. All the boards laid out. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. Sherpa sweater fabric. Now I need a knife. Or not a knife, staple gun. Staple gun is needed now. We're staple gunning the fabric onto the boards. So cute!
Something to fill out of your pocket.
You gonna say hi? or like mid-morning to Vernon, and we just spent the week there and hung out with family and a couple friends, and that was pretty much it. I recorded a little bit each day, but it was really repetitive because we literally just like hung out at the beach and at the lake, so it was like not anything really new. And plus I just kind of wanted to like chill and relax and be present and stuff. So that was that. I got a little bit of a cold, like a 2-day or day and a half like cold thing. So that kind of sucked. It was just a sore throat and like body aches and like really congested and stuff. And I thought it was just allergies, but it was definitely like a cold. And when I think about it, I'm pretty sure Jackson had a cold like a week prior to that, and then it just passed on to me, which makes the most sense. So that's what we did. What else did we do? Basically, that's all we did. We just went to the Okanagan, had a little vacation. It was so nice there. Like every day was 30 degrees or more. So that was really nice. Got a little bit of a tan. And yeah, basically that was it. Oh, you saw that we made my headboard while we were there. So we're going home to put it all together. So that will be in the next vlog. But Nick is gonna go to New West and pick up our bed frame so we can just finish our room completely with the new mattress and everything. And yeah, I think that's about it. So if you want to see the finished product, you have to watch the next vlog. It'll be good. I'm excited. The whole like traveling home day too today will be on that vlog as well. So today's Sunday and it's 4 o'clock. And where are we? We're in Chilliwack? Likely. Oh, we are in Abbotsford, so we should be home in like an hour-ish. Hour and 11 minutes, it says. Is napping. Oh, his head. I have to fix it. He always puts his head down and I feel like it hurts. Like I know it doesn't to him, but it hurts me. Tomorrow we are back to reality. So I hope to see you on Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed this vlog.